everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on Temu. You will click on settings. Here on this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will search about Temu app and you will click in this window. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.